You record a clean walkthrough. You spend 2, maybe 3 hours trying to make it look good in the editor. You add cuts, you try to fix the pacing, you do everything you know how to do, and it still comes out looking flat, still boring, still looks like a basic screen recording. And the worst part is, it's not because your content is bad. The content is fine. The way you explain things is fine. The real problem is the time it takes to edit. Because when editing takes that long, you can't keep up. You can't post 3 videos a week. You can't stay consistent. You end up spending more time fixing one video than actually making new ones. That's the trap most creators are stuck in right now. Look at this comparison. Same exact content. Left side, a raw, unedited screen recording. No zooms, no movement, just a flat static screen. Right side, a clean, polished product demo with smooth zooms, nice camera movement, and a professional feel to it. One of these looks like a creator who knows what they're doing. The other one looks like a first attempt, and the only difference between them is one tool. I switched to FocuSee a while back, and I genuinely haven't opened a timeline editor for a single product demo since. It's a direct alternative to tools like Loom, Tela, and Screen Studio, but it works on both Mac and Windows, and it's priced way better than all of them. Let me show you exactly what it does and why it matters. This is FocuSee, and the first thing that hits you when you open it, it's simple. Like, actually simple. This isn't one of those tools where you open it for the first time and feel lost for 20 minutes trying to figure out where everything is. There's no complicated setup, no confusing menus. If you've used any recording tool before, you'll feel comfortable here within the first 60 seconds. Now, while we're here, let me quickly mention something. Screen Studio, which a lot of creators use, is Mac only. If you're on Windows, that tool is not even an option for you. Loom and Tela both charge you extra for features that should just be included. FocuSee gives you all of it from day one. And everything I'm about to walk you through, it works exactly the same on Mac and on Windows. Same features, same quality, same results. All right, let's actually record something so you can see this in action. I'm going through FocuSee's official website, a basic tool walkthrough, clicking through features, showing how things work. The kind of video you'd make for a YouTube tutorial or for a client. This is the raw recording. Nothing added, nothing changed. Let's watch it back. It's okay, it gets the job done. But it's not the kind of video that makes someone stop scrolling. Now watch what happens when I apply FocuSee to the exact same recording. You see that? The camera zoomed in automatically every time I clicked on something important. It followed my actions on its own. I didn't go back and manually add a single zoom. I didn't touch the timeline. FocuSee just watched what I was doing and made the video respond to it. So the viewer always knows exactly where to look. But here's where it gets really interesting. And this is the part I want you to pay attention to. There's a feature called 3D motion. And when you combine it with auto zoom, something clicks. Auto zoom handles the camera movement. It zooms in on the right moments automatically. 3D motion adds a depth effect to the whole video. It makes it feel like the screen has real dimension to it, like it was shot on a camera instead of just recorded on a laptop, and you turn it on with one click. No settings to adjust, no keyframes to set, no skill required. Just click it, and your video immediately looks like it was made by someone who does this professionally. Watch the difference. 2D on the left, 3D on the right. That feeling of quality, that polished, cinematic look that top creators have in their videos, that's what this combination does, and it takes about 3 seconds to apply. Now your video looks clean and professional, but there's still one more layer that separates a good tutorial from a great one, making sure the viewer always knows exactly what you want them to look at. FocuSee gives you 3 annotation tools that handle this really well. The first one is Spotlight. You pick any moment in your video, apply Spotlight to a specific area of the screen, and everything around it gets dimmed. The viewer's eye goes straight to where you need it. No confusion, no guessing. The second one is Blur. If there's something on your screen that has nothing to do with what you're showing, irrelevant menus, personal information, background tabs, you blur it out. Instantly cleaner, instantly more focused. And the third one is Arrows. When you're walking someone through a flow that has multiple steps, an arrow makes the path obvious. You're not leaving the viewer to figure out where to look next. You're showing them. The cursor effects work the same way. When you're clicking fast through a sequence, sometimes the viewer loses track of where the cursor went. The animated cursor highlights in FocuSee make every single movement visible and easy to follow. nothing gets missed. And here's the thing that honestly made the biggest difference for me personally. Every single one of these annotations is non-destructive. What that means in simple terms is nothing you add ever changes the original recording underneath. You can add a spotlight, move it around, delete it, change your mind completely, and the original video is always exactly how you recorded it. So if you finish a video and realize you forgot to highlight an important part, you don't re-record anything. You just go back in, add the annotation, and you're done. That feature alone has saved me more time than I can count. Let me break down exactly who this tool makes the most sense for. If you're a YouTuber making tutorials around AI tools, SaaS products, or software walkthroughs, your whole game is publishing fast and keeping up with trends. FocuSee cuts the editing time down to almost nothing. You record, the tool does the work, you export and upload. That's it. If you're a freelancer who makes product demo videos for clients, you probably don't have a big editing budget or a team behind you. But your clients still expect polished, professional-looking output. FocuSee gives you that output without the extra cost and without the extra hours sitting in an editor. And if you're building a Faceless channel and you need to post consistently without burning out on editing, this is the tool that makes that actually possible. You can produce more videos in less time without dropping the quality. Now, about FocuSee version 2.0 specifically, this isn't a tool that launched and stopped improving. 3D motion is new. The advanced annotation options are new. And there are AI-powered features being built right now that are going to make this even more useful for serious creators. The tool is actively getting better, fast. If you have any questions about how the AI credits work, there's a full FAQ linked in the description below. That's the whole thing. FocuSee takes the part of content creation that eats the most time, the editing, and handles it for you, so you can spend that time doing what actually grows your channel, making more content. If you're making product demos, software tutorials, or SaaS walkthroughs and you want them to look professional without spending hours in an editor every single time, FocuSee is worth trying. Link is in the description. Go check it out.